All right, my fellow warfighters and families, let's cut to the chase about the VA loan process. As a retired Marine Scout sniper, I know some things about precision and getting the job done. In this video, I'm going to give you the straight shot on how to go from condition 4 to condition 1 for your home buying mission. But first, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you think that I've earned it. All right, let's get to it. Step 1, secure your Certificate of Eligibility, or your COE. This isn't just some piece of paper. This is the key to unlocking your VA loan benefits. You can either pull this off through the e-benefits portal or let a mortgage lender or mortgage broker who's sharp on the VA loan handle it. Think of it as gathering intel for the operation ahead. Next, you're going to find a mortgage broker or lender who's familiar with the VA loan. You want someone who's not just playing dress up and looks really cool on social media and all that junk, but someone who actually knows the in and outs of the VA loan battlefield. This person should speak your language and understand the unique challenges and advantages of military life. Bonus if they're a military veteran themselves. Time to submit for your loan application. This is like prepping your gear before a mission or your prep for combat. You'll need to hand over all the essential stuff like W-2s, your tax returns, your bank statements, your pay stubs, your photo ID, and the coveted DD-214. Your lender will then scope out your financial situation and make sure you're ready to engage in a home buying process. Once you're pre-approved, now it's time to conduct some reconnaissance and hunt for your home. Partner with a real estate agent who gets the military mindset and start searching for your new harbor site. Make sure you got a clear picture on your financial landscape, the interest rates, monthly payments, and overall budget. And of course, if you need a budget worksheet that is specifically designed for a PCS move, email me at samuel.lynch@exprealty.com. After zeroing in on your target home and getting your offer accepted, you're about 30 to 45 days out from owning the piece of the American dream. This is where your strategic plan is going to pay off, and you start building your legacy through real estate. So there you have it, the no-nonsense guide to navigating the VA home loan process. If this briefing was on target, show some support by liking this video, dropping your questions below, and subscribing for more straight shooting advice. Let's conquer this mission together.